Welcome to my channel. The 2024 Venice Film Festival has officially begun, and the red carpet is sizzling with Hollywood's biggest stars. From highly anticipated film premieres to unforgettable fashion moments, this year's event is set to be one for the books. Stay tuned as we take you on a journey through the most memorable moments of the festival, where film meets fashion and the stars shine brighter than ever. Against the picturesque backdrop of Venice, Italy, the 2024 Venice Film Festival has kicked off in grand style. Organized by La Biennale di Venezia, this year's event runs from August 28 to September 7, featuring an impressive lineup of films, red carpet moments, and star-studded events. As one of the most prestigious film festivals in the world, the Venice Film Festival continues to be a platform where art, cinema, and glamour converge. This year's festival features an exciting lineup of must-see films, guaranteed to captivate audiences worldwide. Among the most anticipated are Beetlejuice, starring the ever-talented Jenna Ortega; Maria, featuring the iconic Angelina Jolie; Wolves, reuniting Hollywood legends George Clooney and Brad Pitt; and the much-awaited Joker, Folie à Deux, with Joaquin Phoenix and Lady Gaga bringing their unique magic to the screen once again. Iconic celebrity attire from the 2024 Venice Film Festival. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the 2024 Venice Film Festival. Make sure to stay tuned for more updates and highlights from this glittering gala of film and fashion. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exclusive content from the world of cinema and style. Follow us on social media for the latest updates and behind-the-scenes content. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update from my channel.